I sent one email to my boss and instantly regretted it.
Have you ever sent an email and wished you could delete it?
Oh, Mary, don't remind me.
What happened?
I called my new boss by the wrong name in my very first email.
No way. That's a disaster.
It was an accident. I typed too fast.
Tell us exactly what you wrote.
His name was Mr. Henderson.
And?
I wrote, "Dear Mr. Henderson."
Oh no.
And I didn't even notice. I sent it like that.
You know what's worse than a typo?
What?
Not checking your email before sending.
Yeah, I learned that the hard way.
Let's fix your mistake.
Please help me.
If you know the name, say, "Dear Mr. Henderson."
Simple.
If you don't know the name, "Dear Sir or Madam."
Okay, that sounds very professional.
How do you start politely?
You don't just jump into the request.
You say, "I hope this email finds you well."
That sounds very British.
Or if you reply, "Thank you for your email."
Nice. Simple and polite.
Let's put it all together. Dear Mr. Henderson, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to inquire about the marketing position.
I have experience in marketing and I would love to join your team.
Could you please send me more details?
That's perfect English. Now, your turn.
Imagine you need a day off. What do you say?
Write it in your head right now.
You can start with, "Dear."
And then, be polite.
Remember, English is not about perfection.
It's about communication.
And always, double-check your emails.
Trust me, don't be like me. And if this episode helped you, please subscribe to Fluent English UK. We have new episodes every week, and we are always here, helping you sound more natural, more confident, and more British.
Take care, everyone, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.